Hey, it's Lexi Lou coming to you with another video. Today's makeup look was really inspired by the Wild Thoughts video with Rihanna in it. The inspiration behind this look was really, I told y'all, Wild Thoughts.
When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.
She had this blue eye with this red lip. I don't know, it was something that YouTube recommended. I know it's an old song, but it was something that YouTube recommended, and so when I saw it, I was like, I want to recreate this look. Not recreate it fully, you know, but put my spin on it, and so this is what I came up with. But if you want to see how I got this look and what products I use, just keep on watching. Alright, so we're hopping right on into it. I'm just priming my eyelids, or prepping my eyelids. This is not an eyeshadow primer, but prepping my eyelids with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the color beige. Alright, for eyeshadow today, I want to go in with this palette right here by Colored Rain. This is the Juicy Boost Pressed Pigment and Eyeshadow palette. The palette comes in two different forms. I decided to buy like the booklet form, I would say. So this is the first side. Let's just look at that. And then you open the second side right here. So I really want to play with this blue color called Energy Boost. And from the first side, I'm going to be picking up that color called Blueberry Burst. Those are my two colors that I really want to have some fun with. So I think what I want to do first, this is a Morphe brush. This came in like an eyeshadow set that I got from Ulta. And it's kind of more of a packing brush, but kind of blending. So it's like a blending packing brush. And because the color that I'm dealing with, this is why I want to do my eyeshadow first. That color is so pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. Y'all just gonna have to see my mirror a little bit. It just is what it is. That's just so pretty. Now, picking up the same color. This is an e.l.f. blending brush here. Just gonna be picking it up. And this is a rather kind of a small blending brush, not too fluffy and full, because I wanna. I think that's kind of all that I want. Yeah. Now going back in with my first shade, the first brush, and I am just going to kind of pack that area again. It's close by the crease. I'm sure if you had a blue base, this will pop even more, but this will do it for me. I do want to pick up this shade. I am just going to, ooh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Get in focus. Look at that. Hold on, y'all. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's so hard for me to do. There we go. Look at that shade. Isn't that cute? Oh, wow. Okay. Wait. Oh my God, this is so cute. Okay, I wasn't expecting it to be this pretty, y'all. I mean, oh my God. So y'all, this past Friday, today is Sunday when I'm recording this, but this past Friday, Lorel and I had our engagement dinner. We also got vaccinated Friday as well. Friday was a good day. Saturday was overall a good day, but today, ooh, that vaccination kicked my tail, y'all. I'm just having like a good spike right now. Like it's just like a good moment. So I'm trying to seize the moment and record a video. But I don't even know why I started telling y'all about this. Why did I start talking about this? I don't know. Maybe it'll come back to me. Oh, okay, now I remember. So initially, of course, for my engagement dinner, I was gonna get my nails done, right? But y'all saw how raggedy my nails looked, and so the plan was to wait until it got closer to time for the engagement dinner to actually get my nails done. So I went to the nail shop Friday morning, and need I say, nail shops around here don't do appointments. It's only walk-ins. So I went to the nail shop Friday morning. Seriously, like they opened up at 9, and I was probably there 9:15 at the latest, right? Or was I there any later? I don't know. But I was there really, really early to get my nails done. And every station was full. Every waiting seat was full. And so only thing I was able to do was get my nails actually soaked off. I still had my hair to get done and everything like that. So to me, my hair was more important. My hair and makeup is more important than my nails. So I just had to make the decision to walk away from getting my nails done. I had to walk away from getting my nails done. So that is why, but my nails needed to breathe anyway. I mean, I am ashy, but this camera is really picking up the ash. So nails are not done. They won't be done now for months. They need to truly breathe. All right, this is it for the eyes right now. Y'all, I just love one color, like eyeshadow looks. Foundation, this is the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour Hydra Foundation. This is the same foundation I've always been using. They kind of switched the name up, but I see that they did that a long time ago. Really, it was just that I hadn't had to buy any foundation, any Smashbox in a while, that I didn't realize they had changed the name. And this that I'm going on in the center of my face is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the shade 108, which is also caramel beige. Let's just do this. But yeah, back to what I was saying. No, I'll wait. I kind of want to try out this foundation. Give it a try under my eyes. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Y'all, I cannot stop looking at my eyes. I do not want to do too much with my base. Alright. Just one piece of hair that don't want to stay. Alright. Nervous. Let's just start with that. Alright. Now it is time to set these under eyes. Yo, the eyes are giving it to me. So here I have not a new powder, but a better shade for me. I've picked up another Fenty Beauty, what did I say, Beauty? I tripped myself out. Another Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 330. Pick this up from Sephora, and it definitely seems to be a better match than 320. I just can't be on a video the entire time with my bun on. It's just not me. It's just not who I am. Oh, I had picked up this shade. I forgot all about this. But it doesn't need it. I might do this for the inner corner. Yeah. Probably do it for the inner corner. Kind of been wanting to change out my bronzer brush. I don't want to do too much. I have to keep telling myself that I don't want to do too much. I just want the attention to be on the eyes, and I think I'm gonna do a bold lip. Let's go ahead and highlight the skin. I got a question for y'all. Do y'all highlight your face? Are you into highlighters still? For me, personally, I don't think I'll ever not be into highlighter. Now, how I highlight and the shades of highlighter that I use and how much highlighter, you know, that'll vary. But I don't think I'll ever go back to a day where I don't highlight. I don't think I will. It just looks so nice. I think that's the importance of having the right shade and the right formula to make sure that it melts into your skin, you know, and to complement your complexion. especially the nose and brow highlight. Like, I may try to get to a day where maybe I don't put anything on my cheek, but as far as my nose and the brow, get in focus, I don't think that day will come. Now, let's finish off the eyes. Going in with this, with this shade right here called Energy Boost. Same blue shade. Picking it up on a Mario Makeup by Mario E5 brush. Going to be putting this on the bottom lash line. I think I want to go ahead and line the bottom lash line first. And this is by Urban Decay, the 24/7 Glide On Pencil. Eye pencil in the shade Deep In. That's cute all by itself, but I'm still go in. Fabulous, absolutely fabulous. I can't think of another word for it. I'm gonna go ahead and set our eyebrows. Now, I wanna put something in the inner corner. I am going to be picking up this Kylie Cosmetics Shimmer Eye Glaze in the color Aqua Mama. I believe this came out with all of her stuff in her collection. She don't ever just come out with something, I guess, that is permanent. So you can always go in, you know, if you're recreating this look, you can always go in with the same shimmer in this one. But because I have this color and I pulled it out, I kind of wanna, oh, yes. I thought it didn't pick nothing up, y'all. I get so excited. Oh, I get so excited. Oh. Okay. Whoa, this is a pretty color. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Okay. Alright, I haven't put on any blush. I just want to put on a little bit of blush. Just like very little, just to give a little flush to the face. So for blush, I am going in with an ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. And this is the Pink Passion Trio. Just something to give me a little flush. When I'm thinking about doing a bold lip, that's what I was saying. So whenever I'm really thinking about doing a bold lip, especially the color that I plan on really trying on the lip, I like to go in with more of a pale pinkish, you know, baby pink maybe. That's it for blush, y'all. I love blush so much that it's so hard for me to just cut it off. Yeah. So I'll be back, y'all. I'm gonna put my bonnet on, set my face, put on some mascara and put on a lash, and then I am going to be back to finish off the lips with y'all. I will be lining my lips on camera, Kiara, and that'll be that. I am loving this. My energy is kind of dwindling. The shot is starting to kick me again, but we're about to finish this off. This makeup is really giving it to me. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. And for lips today, this is BFF by ColourPop, BFF 2. Something very, very nude, not too prominent. And for lips, we're going in with the red. Oh, for lashes, I went in with the Kiss lashes in the style Cashmere. Yeah. This is Kylie Cosmetics Mary Jo. Yeah. So this wraps up today's video. I hope that you have enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.